Says 390 on the fender. Well, that looks like a lot more than a 390, don't it? Yeah, we're talking headers and 429 side oiler, 427 side. No, I should look through the book. I posted this last year, yeah. You can see, you know, they got a show back here up front. It was it was all packed with cars out front. And when I walked in, I just walked right in the casino. You're gonna reschedule? Yeah, yeah, a lot of kids. Yeah, remember this 57 Fairlane? This got a lot of views last year. This got thousands of views last year. Yeah. I remember he rode by me on Merrill. It was raining. Yep.